Squadron, aircraft prep complete. You're cleared to taxi.
Beginning nighttime aerial refueling process. Be careful of reduced visibility. 1,500 meters to tanker. Too fast. Lower airspeed. 500 meters. You have permission to access the refueling tanker. 100. 50 meters. Trigger. Maintain your current approach. Excellent work, Trigger. Refueling initiated. Maintain your current position.
Strider 1, you have passed through waypoint 1. No weapons until you reach the enemy base. All aircraft, reduce altitude. We have altitude restrictions from here on out. Keep altitude below 600 meters. Good. Maintain your current course.
Searchlight up ahead. Watch for it.
Stay out of their sight.
Strider, Assless 1. Our current ETA matches yours. Catch them off guard. Can we secure the LC quickly?
We'll get you down safe. I'm worried you're short on men.
Everyone here has already signed their wills.
That ain't funny.
Never was good at jokes. Okay, follow you in. Good luck.
Understood. Strider 1, you've passed through waypoint 2. The valley's about to get narrower. Be careful.
Pull up. Caution, pull up.
When can we take on the final mission? I'm starting to get tired of all this.
This is the last step, Count. We'll take the enemy base and use it as a bridgehead.
Watch yourselves out there. We're going to need all of you in for our bounty. Without Wiseman here, everybody wants to give orders like they're the company commander himself. And the best thing about Strider Squadron is our leader keeps his mouth shut. Watch your speed.
Caution, pull up. Caution, pull up. Caution, pull up. Caution.
You've passed waypoint 3. You're coming up on the base, posing radio silence.
Caution, pull
We
up.
won't be able to talk again until you're over the base. Continue to keep an eye on your altitude. There are plenty of dark spots that can sneak up on you.
Caution, 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 pull up. Caution, pull up. Caution. Caution, pull up. Caution, pull up. Caution. Caution, pull up. Caution, pull up. Caution. Caution, pull up. Caution, pull up.
You just passed through waypoint 4. Radio silence has been lifted. You're almost at the base.
We made it. That was quite the roller coaster ride.
Caution.
Visual confirmation on the airbase. Reach destination.
Commence the attack. It's time for their wake-up call. The longer it takes, the worse off we'll be. Hurry up. Finish them off.
All right, let's give them a beating.
Target acquired.
Star one. Star one. Caution.
Target eliminated.
Caution.
Enemies are attacking! The hell did they come
Star
from?
one.
They took out our leader's bird! Hurry or they'll roast us on the ground! Fire up the searchlights! I can't see where the enemies are coming from!
It looks like the enemy's air defenses are online. Guess they finally decided to wake up. Keep up the attack. The sooner we finish this thing, the better.
This is Assless 1. Landing now.
Roger that. If the enemy is still present in large numbers when our ground forces arrive, the mission will be a failure. Go help our allies.
Be quick. Our time beats is free.
Your jokes haven't gotten any better.
Nickel. Nickel. Nickel.
still near the LZ. Can't make our approach.
Multiple helicopters spotted. Do you have a visual on them? Strider 1, I need you to take out those enemies at the LZ. Bandit down. Strider 1, target destroyed. The timing couldn't be worse. This puts our delivery staff in danger.
Not bad at all, Trigger.
Watch it. Enemy has a lock on you.
Missile.
We need you to immediately destroy anything that'll jeopardize the landing. Strider 1, target destroyed.
Basilisk 1, landing down. Trust your allies and keep moving. This base is ours for the taking.
Wait the base, Commander! What are you waiting for?
Say goodbye.
That's the last of our NGO guns. They've all been taken out.
We've engaged the enemy reinforcements. Requesting immediate close air support.
Copy that. We'll send some your way.
Pizza guy's in trouble. Let's help him out.
It's all right. Those two Ozian big shots will take care of them for us.
Target eliminated. Great work.
Okay, that attack just took out the enemies on the front line. The way ahead is cleared up. We'll have our thanks.
Caution. Pull up.
Give me a damage report. The enemy suffered heavy losses. This is more than a surprise attack.
Okay, that takes care of all the SAM sites. Picking up an enemy squadron. It must be the reinforcements they called in.
Confirmed at least one leader. It's the one with the 3 scratches.
Caution, enemy has a lock.
Missile.
Missile in the air. Quick, now!
Emergency! See the enemy reinforcements? They're stopping us! We can't do anything about their air power. We need support.
Target acquired.
Strider 4, bandit on your 6.
Forward.
Strider 4, missile inbound.
Ambush, stay calm. Reform the ranks. Lancaster, requesting close air support.
Strider squadron, enemy reinforcements. Get some goddamn support there now.
The enemy numbers are small. Don't give in. Fight until the very end.
Missile. Missile. Missile.
This is 2-2. We're stuck. We won't be able to capture the base at this rate.
Missile.
Keep your heads down. 3 strikes will take care of the enemy.
This is nothing compared to what we faced in the last mission.
That's it. If we take out those 2, we can force our way inside the facility.
Hostile lock on you, Strider 1.
Attacking from behind my target.
Bandit destroyed. Well done.
Strider 1, lock on target. Target's destruction confirmed. That air support was right on the money.
Pushing the enemy on their heels.
Okay, start running on the count of 3.
Great. I get to finally send my boys in to ring the doorbell.
There's still quite a few enemies holed up in there. However, we can't afford to wait any longer. Begin the assault. If anyone resists, kill them. Contact! 2 o'clock! Go! Go! Fire!
Tear down that barricade.
How'd it go?
This is Basilisk 1. The base is ours. We have control of all major functions.
Glad the pizza was on time.
that, Basilisk 1. Mission accomplished.
All prisoners of war will be treated in accordance with international law. We've even brought pizza.
Looks like they can shred those wills.
I'm already getting an earful from the men over the needless paperwork.
No joke.
Okay, go ahead and begin your approach. Move to the flight control.
Roger that.
Strider 1, this is Basilisk. The runway is clear. You have permission to land. The party is on as soon as you get here. Reduce your speed. 3,000 meters to the runway. Turn left. Lower your nose. You're too high. 1,500 meters to the runway. You're past the guidance limit. Make a visual landing. Impressive, Strider 1. Strider 1 has landed. Let's go and greet him.